First of all, we are going to show you the parts that most auto feedings consist of. All those parts are identifiable by their Haeger serial number shown on the part itself. The punch of an auto feeding system additionally has a hose to connect to the vacuum system. Also, the bottom tooling is marked with the Haeger serial number. Next, you can see the shuttle which holds the fastener in place until pickup with the vacuum nozzle. The large part is the so-called multi-module, which will be attached to the vibrating feeder bowl. The first step of the setup is the attachment of the multi-module to the feeder bowl. With only one lever you can secure the module in place and fix it. As a second step, the shuttle is mounted on the machine. The alignment is taken care of by 2 pins. The shuttle is then secured by fixing 2 captive screws. As a last step, we need to make sure the feed tube is connected to the shuttle properly. Now the machine is set up for production.